In front of me is Realme Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then tap on any theme you want. I will go with this one. Manage keyboard orders thanks to this switcher, and last but not least, hit apply. If you want to customize your keyboard instead, click on the same color palette, and this time use this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboard orders and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!